Sniper precision was once an elite luxury reserved for those who bought their way in with thousands of dollars and months of custom gunsmithing. Decades ago, a sub-minute of angle rifle meant custom glass bedding, hand-lapped barrels, and a massive capital investment. Today, advanced metallurgical engineering has completely democratized precision, putting surgical accuracy into a cardboard box for less than $500. The modern budget rifle is a mechanical paradox, stripping away traditional polished walnut and deep-blued steel to leave behind nothing but cold, ruthless, and calculating efficiency. We are dissecting 3 field-ready platforms that guarantee sub-minute of angle capability without demanding a premium price tag. No excuses, no diplomatic compromises, just pure tactical advantage in the deep woods. Number 3. The Stevens 334. While modern manufacturers race to strip away weight using flimsy plastics, this rifle stands as an unyielding monument to old-school, overbuilt structural rigidity. It is a heavy, matte-blued steel vault that leverages international manufacturing scale to deliver deep ballistic precision. The mechanical soul of this platform is its massive 3-lug bolt configuration, measuring over 0.75 inches in diameter. This architecture unlocks a short, lightning-fast 60-degree bolt throw, ensuring you can cycle the action rapidly without your knuckles ever striking the low-mounted optics. When you drive this bolt home, it locks into battery with the definitive mechanical snap of a bank vault door. Firing a .308 Winchester out of this 7.25-pound chassis is incredibly stable, as the heavy steel mass absorbs the concussive energy, allowing you to track your target through the recoil. Yet, this rugged machine harbors a distinct human interface flaw. The absolute deal breaker is the fixed factory-set single-stage trigger that demands a crushing 5.75 pounds of pressure to break. It features no user adjustment, forcing you to exercise supreme fundamental discipline to prevent pulling the weapon off target during a high-stress execution. If you can master the heavy blade, the 11-degree target crown barrel will stack rounds with absolute precision. You can command this ironclad platform for just $389. Number 2. The Savage Axis 2. This platform strips away all cosmetic vanity to deliver a weapon of cold, calculating, and relentless accuracy. While the early iterations of this rifle were mocked for heavy triggers and flexible forends, Savage re-engineered this modern variant to dominate the field. The foundation of its surgical precision relies on a legendary mechanical pairing, the zero-tolerance barrel lock nut system, combined with a floating bolt head. This pinned dual lug bolt configuration allows for microscopic lateral movement, ensuring that when the action is driven into battery, both lugs center themselves with absolute geometric perfection against the receiver walls. When you break the shot, the rifle barks with a sharp, concussive report, driving a 6.5 Creedmoor projectile down a precision button-rifled barrel with zero mechanical deviation. It operates less like a traditional hunting gun and more like a tactical instrument designed to neutralize threats. However, manufacturing at this price point forces a tactile compromise. The definitive deal breaker is the factory bolt stroke, which suffers from severe mechanical friction right out of the box. Running the action feels like dragging raw steel over heavy grit sandpaper, requiring an aggressive, heavy-handed manipulation that can disrupt your cheek weld during a critical follow-up shot. Despite the rough cycling, the inclusion of the crisp, user-adjustable 3-pound AccuTrigger completely eliminates human error at the sear. You can deploy this accurate generalist tool for $400. Hold your fire right there. If you want to survive the field and master the art of tactical precision, You need the blueprints that the mainstream media refuses to give you. Drop a round into that subscribe button right now, smash the notification bell, and join an elite tier of marksmen who refuse to compromise on ballistic data. Do not get left behind in the brush. Number 1. The Glenfield Model A. Sometimes the most lethal instruments are resurrected from the ashes of corporate history. When Ruger acquired Marlin, they breathed new life into the dormant Glenfield name, forging a weatherproof Predator specifically engineered to dominate the sub-$500 precision tier. This is not a fragile, experimental design. It is a battle-hardened, modified, first-generation Ruger American action, built inside the United States and optimized for the 21st century hunter. The mechanical superiority of this platform begins with its 20-inch cold hammer-forged chrome moly steel barrel. Massive rotary hammers pound the steel around a tungsten carbide mandrel, work-hardening the molecular structure to withstand blistering heat and extreme pressure while maintaining a flawless internal bore. This heavy-duty barrel is permanently anchored into a moss-green synthetic stock using an integral power bedding block system. Molded stainless steel blocks wedge the receiver perfectly in place, allowing the sporter profile barrel to completely free float. When the firing pin drops and the powder ignites, the barrel oscillates in a perfect, uninterrupted sine wave, entirely untouched by the flexible polymer forend. Fire in this weapon is a visceral experience. The recoil of a .308 Winchester is channeled straight back into your shoulder, while the heavily textured splatter finished stock bites into your hands, ensuring an ironclad grip even in a freezing downpour or when covered in mud. Better yet, the muzzle comes factory threaded at 5/8 by 24 threads per inch, practically begging for a sound suppressor to neutralize the muzzle blast and shield your visual field from concussive gas expansion. It is a rugged, cold-blooded instrument of precision that delivers flagship-tier performance without forcing you to empty your bank account. You can command the ultimate tactical advantage with the Glenfield Model A for just $429. The era of paying a premium for basic accuracy is officially dead. These three rifles prove that with modern engineering, you do not need to spend thousands of dollars to neutralize the threat or put meat on the table. They offer unparalleled tactical advantage, sub-minute of angle precision, and rugged durability for under $500. If you want to survive the hunt and dominate the field, you need gear that works as hard as you do. Stay locked in, keep your eyes on the target, and never compromise your standards.